What's new in Cisco Network Assurance Engine 5.0.1? In 5.0.1, we offer new functionalities like Cisco NAE Assurance support for NXOS Fabric, historical data import and export, compliance for naming conventions, configuration compliance containment check, TACACS authentication, as well as the ability to deploy Cisco NAE as an app on Cisco Application Services Engine. 5.0.1 also offers these enhancements: segmentation compliance support for tenant objects, increased segmentation compliance scale, pre-change analysis support for filter and fabric objects, as well as Cisco ACI 5.0 release support. 5.0.1 release extends NAE's network assurance support to NXOS-based data center fabrics. Now, NAE can support ACI fabrics as well as DCNM-managed NXOS fabrics, starting with the support for BGP EVPN-based VXLAN fabrics. NAE discovers the fabric topology through DCNM, then queries the network switches for configuration and operational states and builds a network model for analysis to assure the network's configuration and operational states. For example, NAE can assure VPC configuration and VPC consistency, or VXLAN VNI configuration and the operational consistency of all VNIs across the fabric. NAE Data Export-Import function allows users to archive NAE appliance data to an external storage device and restore archived epochs from external storage. From appliance administration, the user can access import-export historical data. For data export, users can choose inline data export or historical data export, or both. Inline export means NAE will automatically export the epoch data after each assurance analysis instance. With historical data export, users choose a time window, and the epoch within this window will be exported as a one-time operation. Data import allows users to restore epoch data that had been exported earlier. It operates on a per-epoch basis. NAE 5.0.1 introduces naming convention compliance as a new type of compliance analysis, because oftentimes organizations have their own network naming conventions. Now, their network team can use NAE to continually verify if their network objects are named in compliance to their naming convention. NAE will detect and report any naming violations. This example shows a typical naming convention compliance violation smart event. In this event, the VRF1 violates the requirement that VRFs should have their name start with NAE. Now, network teams can use NAE to enforce their gold configuration. In configuration compliance, they can either use the current configuration as the golden configuration or import their golden configuration and require either the network configuration must contain the golden configuration or must exactly match it. NAE will continuously verify it based on the requirements. NAE now can run as an application on Service Engine. Users can use the standard process in upload, install, and launch the NAE app on Service Engine. Start with getting the NAE app from Cisco App Center, uploading it to Service Engine, enabling it, which will essentially get the app installed. Then the app is ready to be launched. Click on the Launch App button, then you'll have an NAE instance running on your Service Engine. For additional details about the features and enhancements in this release, please see the following URL. Thank you for watching.